Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, or should I say keychain. Now this here is from Tunenge. Now this here is the S12 Pro. Now I was sent this flashlight from them. They wanted me to test and review it here. Comes in this box. Let's wait no further, let's open it up, see what's in. Done quite a few reviews for them. Been really impressed with their products. I do have a light chart here. Try to get it unfolded. So you can see the highest output there is 750 lumens. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause screen. Otherwise we'll move along. And I just want to do, before I close it up, this is using the LumiLEDs LED right there. One USB Type-C charging cable. Got a little clip here on it. It's pretty nice. And you get a quick release clasp on there. That's everything out of there. Take a look here at the light. There it is. Super compact, tiny design. Like the stainless steel bezel on there. More LEDs here on the side. This is a clear ABS plastic. Here's the charging port there. Put the key ring on here. Go ahead and take a look here at that LED. It's got a smooth reflector. That's running the LumiLED LED as stated previously. Same goes for these as well. Style and design on this is very nice. I've been impressed with their lights. I have one on my key ring, and I've given away quite a few of them, and family members and friends love them. So let's go ahead and put the clip on here so you guys can see what it looks like. There's one little indentation here that are on the side of the body. Probably end up picking one of them here. Got several areas where you can put it here. Just want to keep it to where it's at least somewhat below the clip area to where I can still put it on there. So the clip is on there. Several areas where you can put it. Little grooves there. Set some pretty good resistance on there. This thing's very nice and ruggedly built as well. Alright, well normally I would open it up, show you the battery that it comes with. As you can see, it's a sealed unit. You can see the battery there. So let's go ahead and go through the UI. UI is pretty straightforward. Nothing happens when you just push it. So if you double click, it will turn it on. It's always nice to have. Does have a nice battery level indicator there. We'll go through the light levels. Just clicking on that side switch there. Let's take a look here at the beam. Look at that. Nice large hotspot, a little bit of bleeding, spill area, kind of tapers off there. It's going to be a large hotspot, cool white. It's a lot of light coming out of this little thing. And I believe it's double click. Oh, triple click to get the side lights. Forgot. Now you can go through those. A little PWM here on the warm light. Doesn't have it on the cool white. A little PWM on the red as well. On this camera, my outdoor camera, might be a little bit different. Kind of a beacon there between red and white. The red and white is, I would use this for emergencies versus a red and blue. And of course you've got the UV. Always nice to look at this and be able to check your currency. I really like these LEDs. And then we're right back down. If you press down and hold, and you can press down and hold to get momentary highest output there. Yeah. I think this is magnetic on the tail. Just want to make sure, and it is, so it's not going anywhere. Pretty solid. This is really lightweight, so if you need to hands free it, say like an emergency, working on a car, changing a tire, you've got this on your key ring or in your pocket in your car, stick it to the fender well, shine down, and be able to work on your car with these. That's all there is to this light. Pretty straight and forward easily to operate this. I'm going to put the ring on here because I do use these, even though I do like to have the clip on there as well. Hopefully I'll get a first time charmer on this. Yeah, a little bugger to get on there, but I got that. Put it on my zipper. I'm going to go to do the night shots out there. Very nice quality on here. I've been impressed with them, and for the price point, they're spot on. You really can't get any better for the price point for this. Well, let's take this S12 Pro out, see how it does in the wilderness. We're out here in the darkness with the Tunenge S12 Pro. Let's go ahead and get started here on the water spout. 38 feet from where I'm standing. Good battery power. Up close and personal. Nice. This light output's going to give you the best run time. Looks great. I'll go to the next level here, see how it does. Nice little jump there. Remember, this is just a keychain light. 38 feet's even better there now. And it is faintly making 65 feet. It's the beam on the fence. Now I have a link below all my videos showing my testing area. Should you have any questions or doubts, check it out. Next level, nice little jump there. I like the beam, it's got a large hot spot. It is making 138 feet there. At this light level, we got more outputs coming up here. Pretty nice. See how it does. Look at that. All coming from this little light. That's crazy. Have this on your keychain. Carry it with you. You got quite a bit of light output here, plus other colors. Tree line, fence line. So now I'm gonna turn it off here, and we're gonna pressure switch it so you can see instant access to that highest output at a moment's notice. Now we're going to do the little side lights here. I've got it on here. This is the warm color, a lot of PWM in here. Oh, maybe not. It is on when it's dark. If there's, yeah. Yeah, if it's reflecting back to the camera, there isn't any. But when it's on its own, there's PWM. So there's red. Do it over here, it'd be better to see the range. And that's red. And of course you got the red and blinking. And then here's the UV. Strong enough, usable. And then you have your cool white. All coming from out of here. Nice. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. And to be expected, these Tunenge lights have been really impressive, especially for the price point. And the quality of the build is nice. No issues. I've done quite a few reviews for them, and every single light does just as it's designed to do, and the lumens are almost spot on. The side lights are a huge plus if you don't want, you know, the cool white. You got warm white depending on what you want, and the main LED's got some pretty good range on it, especially for a little keychain light, but 750 lumens is insane. The battery's going to drain pretty quickly, so use the lower light outputs to conserve the battery, and you should be just fine. Stick it on your keys, stick it in your car. I do have some friends that they have these on their seat belts in their vehicle, so it's like one on every one. So if something happens, they can just grab it right there, whatever seat they're in, or who's ever in the vehicle can grab a light. And pretty neat idea. Never thought of it myself, but interesting. Well, I want to thank Tunenge for sending me this S12 Pro to review. Now, if this is something you are interested in getting, I will leave a link down below the video. I am working on a special discount code. If I do get that, I'll put that there with it, and that'll help you save some money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these lights from Tunenge to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.